Are you looking to boost your Magento store's performance and security? Wondering how to keep your Magento site at its best? Today, we'll discuss the key practices of Magento support and maintenance services and its benefits. Let's dive into it. Magento support and maintenance services include regular updates, security patches, bug fixes, performance optimization, server management, and Magento data backups. Why should you choose Magento support and maintenance services? Let's look at some benefits. 1. Optimize website speed. Magento services help increase website load times, benefiting users and search engine rankings. 2. Upgrade to the latest Magento version. Stay updated with new features and security enhancements as the support team handles all necessary upgrades. 3. Fix urgent bugs. With immediate assistance on bug fixes, any disruptions to your online business are significantly minimized. 4. Enhance security. The services ensure a resilient online store by swiftly implementing Magento security patches. 5. Regular audits. Magento services perform regular audits to manage issues and keep your online store running smoothly. 6. Maintain SEO performance. Regular maintenance activities focus on improving your website speed, a critical factor for your Magento store's search engine rankings. 7. Trusted extensions. When you wish to add functionality to your Magento site, support specialists can select and configure reliable extensions to meet specific business needs. 8. Enhance user experience. Magento support and maintenance services improve your site's design, making it visually appealing, intuitive, and user-friendly. 9. Cost-effective solution. Magento services provide preventative maintenance, saving your business from costly repairs in the long run. It enhances your Magento store's health, security, and usability. Look into the top 12 practices for Magento hosting support and maintenance. First, select a hosting provider with 24/7 technical support for uninterrupted operation. Secondly, remove test products to maintain smooth site navigation. Third, enable Varnish Cache for site performance optimization. Optimize your website speed to improve user experience. Make sure to perform regular security checks. Fix broken links and images to enhance search engine rankings. Remember to update website content regularly. Maintain the integrity of your code to avoid potential issues. Perform usability tests and review third-party extensions to enhance site functionality. Back up your Magento store's data regularly. Finally, test website forms to ensure accurate data capturing. When selecting Magento hosting providers, prioritize their experience, commitment to prompt service, and 24/7 support, flexibility, and scalability. To enhance your Magento experience, services like the MGT Commerce offer many benefits. It includes an efficient ticket system, performance optimization, regular health checks, and round-the-clock expert support. That wraps up today's video on Magento support and maintenance services. Implement these practices to enhance your site performance and grow your business. Please hit like, share, and subscribe for more Magento tips. Until the next one, stay tuned.